Hello, students of Standard 9. I am again here to take your history first chapter. Today I am going to teach you or tell you about a very important topic in this first chapter of history, the French Revolution. Today I am going to tell you that this the French society has been divided into three estates. ESTATES. Three estates. First estate, second estate, and third estate. The French society, which has been divided into three estates, it has been divided in the 18th century. The first estate was comprised of the clergy. The second state comprised of the nobility, and the third estate was comprised of the common mass, that is, big businessmen, merchants, lawyers, peasants, artisans, land laborers, or landless laborers, etc. The member of the first two stages, that is clergy and nobility, they enjoyed certain privileges. Privileges means chut, facilities from birth only. They were exempted from paying taxes to the state. The nobles further enjoyed feudal privileges. These included feudal dues, which they extracted from the peasants. Whatever that they used to take taxes from the peasants, they need not to pay to the state government or monarch. Then come the third estate, which was very far from any such privileges. They were not given any privileges. The third estates, common people, were not given any privileges. All the burden of taxes were on their head. The member of this state had to pay taxes to the state. They also had to pay tax, means they also had no political rights and social status. The burden of paying taxes is only on the third estate. These included some direct taxes like tally and many other indirect taxes on different articles consumed by them. The third estate was on the last rung of the French society. This estate was constituted of, as I have told you, businessmen, lawyers, etc. And peasants, which is the most common group. It made up of 90% of the total common people. But only a small number of them owned land which they cultivated. So all the burden were on the head of the common people, especially the landless workers. They were not given any such facilities by which they can sustain their life properly. But all cultivations were done by the landless laborers. But taxes has to be paid by them. And more taxes have been implemented. Rise of the prices were heavy, means increased. Loaves of breads, they have to make a great line they have to stand in queue for the loaf of breads for their children, for their family, and they were very costly. These all things have made the total situation chaotic in France. People were fed up of this monarchy. Then came the middle class. Middle class constitutes of those businessmen, writers, professors, teachers, doctors. They were educated and how they constitute their brain, or how they have only forced the common people for rebel lines. How? What are the steps taken by them? We'll go through in the next video.